Welcome to the Mrs. Berger Cooking Show. I'm your host, Mrs. Berger. I'm going to show you how to make your limiting reactant video. So basically what I want you to do is use something around your house, use some sort of a recipe that is you're going to be limited by one of your ingredients. So here's my example. I've got 2 boxes of this Jiffy corn mix. Okay, I wanted to make some cornbread. Okay, the recipe says you need 1 package of the corn muffin mix, 1 egg, and 1/3 of a cup of milk. And I'd like to make 2 packages. See? All right. So, want my fridge? Definitely have more than 1/3 of a cup of milk. So I have more than enough milk to do that. Went in my fridge. Only 1 lonely egg. So that means, yes, I can make some cornbread. Okay. My limiting reactant is the egg, and now I can only make 1 box. Okay. So that's what I'm looking for in your videos.